Okay guys, hello. This time I will unboxing the things what I order. This is an antenna for TV. This is catching HD channel, digital channel with free 10 meters cable. We buying from Viva Mall in Indonesia, Surabaya. Quality. Okay, that's the description. Let's open the box. This is the box. Okay, all is on sale. Okay, let's continue in another place so you can see a whole of this thing. Alright guys, this is the thing. It's almost 1 meter, I think. Yeah, 1 meter. This package is for me. And let's reopen this packages. All is sealed. The packages is just covered in a small paper. Excuse me, I use my foot. To open this in one hand, because my hand is holding my phone. So we got this. Okay, PFHD antenna 18. Nice. It's good. Looks good on the specification, I think. Now let's open this and check this out. Sorry, I use my foot. Because I will open this safety. Okay. Oh, stick on another side, I think. Wow, this is the box. Yeah, perfect. Okay, TVB THD TV antenna digital super high gain UV antenna HD 18 impedance channel antenna digital. This is how to rebuild this antenna. Okay, let's open this in here. Okay, and open this. Ta-da! The video is uncut. Free cable 10 meters. One of the box, I don't know what function. This is the antenna. It's 1 meter long. Already it's been built like this. Just only build the rest of them. Okay. So how to install? And this is a guarantee cut. Okay. Just like this. Thank you for watching. The thing is right. Thank you for the packages.